In today's video, I am going to teach you how to different every lead magnet Brevo. The goal here is simple. You want each lead magnet to send the correct follow-up email automatically based on which list a contact joins. In Brevo, the cleanest way to do this is to build a custom automation that triggers when someone joins a specific list, then sends the email template that contains the link to that specific lead magnet. To begin, look at the left sidebar in your Brevo dashboard and click Automations. This is where you create the workflows that run in the background and send emails for you. Next, click Create an Automation. Brevo will show you different options for getting started. Choose Custom Automation. This option gives you full control so you can connect the exact trigger and email you need for a specific lead magnet. Now you will set the trigger. Click Add a Trigger, then choose Contact Joins a List. This tells Brevo to start the automation the moment a new subscriber is added to a list. This is important because lists are what separate one lead magnet from another. Each lead magnet should have its own list, so Brevo can tell them apart. After selecting the trigger, choose the list that matches the lead magnet you are setting up. Take a second here to confirm the list name because this choice determines who enters this automation. If you pick the wrong list, the wrong people will receive the wrong email. Once the trigger is set, you will add the email action. Click the plus icon to add the next step, then select Send an Email. This is the message that delivers the lead magnet to the subscriber. When prompted, select the template that contains the link for that specific lead magnet. Make sure you choose the template created for this exact offer, so the subscriber receives what they signed up for. It also helps to keep your templates clearly named so you can find the right one quickly. Finally, click Finish, then Activate. Activating turns the automation on so it starts working immediately for new contacts who join that list. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.